Welcome. Let's pronounce this word with me. Envoy. 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 Let's see its meaning. What does it mean? It's a noun. It means a messenger or representative, especially one on a diplomatic mission, representative agent. Let's see its use in sentences. The president sent an envoy to negotiate the peace treaty. The ambassador acted as the envoy for his countries during the international conference. A special envoy was dispatched to handle the diplomatic crisis. The king's envoy arrived in the neighboring kingdom to deliver an important message. Let's see more sentences. I hope you're enjoying your learning with me. The envoy's mission was to promote trade relations between the two nations. As an envoy, she traveled to several countries to discuss environmental issues. The envoy presented the peace proposal to the opposing leaders. I hope you are enjoying. The envoy was warmly welcomed by the host country's officials. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel and kindly share it with your friends and family members.